How to install safe drawer. Use the backup key to open the drawer. Install 4 AA alkaline battery into battery cabin. Connect the fingerprint console with the locking system to check if it can work. Install the front drawer door. Drill a hole on the front door, align the hole with the backup keyhole of drawer body. Measure the drawer body and get the keyhole position data. Measure the front door, mark the keyhole position on the door, then drill keyhole. Stick on double-side tape for further installation. The connecting wire goes through the keyhole. Fully pull out the inner drawer and figure out the slides buckle. Press the buckles on both sides to discharge the inner drawer. Install the inner drawer on the door with screws. Then install the inner drawer back into the body. Extend the slides fully and the white buckles all on the front, the white buckles on the foremost end. Align both sides of the drawer with the slides and install it to the drawer body. Pull the drawer back and forth 4 times and ensure the drawer runs smooth. Install fingerprint console. Connecting the fingerprint console. Tuck up the extra wire into the hole. Straighten the console. Position the installation hole on the door. Install the console on the door with screws. Install the drawer on the cabinet. Place the drawer on the cabinet. Discharge the inner drawer. Install the drawer body on the cabinet with screws. Install the inner drawer back.